More than 2,000 years ago, long before the first telescope, long before computers, the ancient Greeks built something so advanced, scientists thought it was impossible. A mysterious machine pulled from the depths of the Aegean Sea, half destroyed, half intact. But when AI finally rebuilt the missing half, what it calculates left historians speechless. Eclipses, planetary movements, solar cycles, and something far more extraordinary. This is the Antikythera Mechanism, the world's first known analog computer. Spring 1900, a crew of sponge divers anchored near the small Greek island of Antikythera. When diver Elias Stadiatis plunged 150 feet down, he didn't find treasure. He found something terrifying. Dozens of twisted bronze statues lay scattered across the seafloor, the remains of an ancient shipwreck. Among the recovered artifacts was a small lump of corroded bronze and wood. It didn't look special at first. But on May 17, 1902, scholar Valerio Stice noticed something incredible. A gear. A bronze gear with tiny teeth, crafted more than 2 millennia ago. They had found what would become the greatest archaeological puzzle of the century, the Antikythera Mechanism. Only 82 fragments survived, about a third of the original machine. Hidden inside were 30 intricate gears, precisely cut by hand. The largest gear was just over 5 inches wide with hundreds of tiny teeth. For decades, no one knew what it did. Was it a calendar, a navigation tool, a ritual object? Then in 2005, a massive X-ray scanner nicknamed Blade Runner revealed the truth. Inside the fragments, scientists found hidden gears and thousands of faint Greek inscriptions, instructions from the past. The Antikythera wasn't just a gadget, it was a computer. Some inscriptions were broken or blurred. One missing Greek letter could change the entire meaning of a calculation. That's where artificial intelligence stepped in. DeepMind's AI model Ithaca was trained to restore ancient texts. It predicted missing letters with 62% accuracy, and with human experts, over 70%. Piece by piece, line by line, the AI filled the gaps. The machine began to speak again after 2,000 years of silence, and what it revealed was astonishing. On the back of the machine, a spiral dial tracks 235 lunar months, a 19-year cycle called the Metonic cycle that aligns the moon with the solar calendar. Another spiral tracks the Saros cycle, used to predict eclipses with incredible accuracy. Small Greek letters next to each date explained whether an eclipse would happen at night or during the day. On the front, the mechanism displayed the positions of the Sun, Moon, and the 5 known planets: Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. It showed their orbits through the zodiac, their conjunctions, and even eclipse seasons using a special dragon hand pointer. In short, it was a portable planetarium, a mechanical cosmos. For decades, no one could figure out how the missing front half worked. But in 2021, researchers at University College London cracked the puzzle. Using every clue, gear tooth counts, ancient math, Greek astronomy, and AI-restored inscriptions, they built the front side of the mechanism virtually. Inside the tiny bronze box, they packed 69 interlocking gears, some stacked within fractions of an inch, to recreate the orbits of the heavens. They proved that the Greeks weren't just skilled craftsmen, they were master engineers, centuries ahead of their time. Imagine standing in front of it 2,000 years ago. You turn a small handle. The sun bead moves around the zodiac. The moon turns and shows its phases. Each planet glides into position, and the dragon hand warns of an upcoming eclipse. This machine could predict solar and lunar eclipses, planetary alignments, and even the timing of ancient Olympic Games. It was the iPhone of the ancient world, a scientific miracle hidden inside bronze. Today, the Antikythera Mechanism is not just a relic. It's proof that advanced science and engineering existed long before the modern age. It challenges everything we thought we knew about ancient technology. And thanks to artificial intelligence, the missing half of this mysterious machine has returned, revealing the secrets of the ancient cosmos. The Antikythera Mechanism isn't just a discovery, it's a message from the past, and a reminder: humanity has always reached for the stars. What makes this machine even more extraordinary is its possible influence on future inventions. Modern historians believe its complex gear system may have inspired, or at least foreshadowed, the development of later astronomical clocks in medieval Europe. Its precision was so advanced that the next machine of comparable complexity did not appear again for more than 1,000 years. Some experts even suggest the Antikythera Mechanism represents lost knowledge, a glimpse of a forgotten scientific golden age. If this technology existed in 100 BC, what other secrets of the ancient world have we not yet uncovered?